Yeah, so good evening everyone. Please check audio video okay or not. Please verify audio video okay or not. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Can I go ahead? And any small doubt is there, please let me know. Sir, this is the issue. You please say the issue, I will resolve. Anyone having any doubt? If you have any doubt, post in the comment section. If you have any doubt, post in the comment section. Don't keep inside your brain. Your brain is a very small one which is so valuable. Don't keep unnecessary dust inside your brain. Right? You have a small, beautiful, right? Your brain is like cache memory. Don't keep dust inside cache memory. Your brain is like cache memory. Don't keep dust in the cache memory. Keep only valuable things. Doubt there, post in the group. Doubt there, right? Post in the comment section. Those people who are watching, right? So it will take 1 minute to you. Can you like the video so that many people can watch? Can you like the video so that many people will watch? It will take 1 minute. Just click on the like button. It will take 1 minute only. Yeah, let's start now. So today's topic is analysis. Today's topic is analysis. Purpose of analysis is, let me write now. Purpose of analysis is to solve any problem. If you have more than one solution, then best solution will be computed by best solution will be decided based by analysis. Based on two factors. One, time complexity. Two, space complexity. Yeah, so I am just showing, right? To solve any problem, if you have more than one solution, then best solution will be computed by analysis based on two factors, time complexity, space complexity. I'm repeating once again. To solve any problem, if you have more than one solution, then best solution will be decided by analysis based on two factors, time complexity, space complexity. Please write the notes properly. Don't depend on others' notes. Please write the notes properly. See this one. In computer science, if you want to get any computer science job, the minimum criteria is you should know DSA. If you want to get in computer science any job, you need DSA, data structures and algorithm. You know this, then only. If you are so good in the data structures and algorithm, you will get the top job. If you know DSA, data structure and algorithm, normal way, you will get the normal job. If you get the DSA, data structure and algorithm, very less so, then you will get very less job. Gain as much as possible so that you will get the best job. If you have the good knowledge in the data structures and algorithm, you will get the best job. I am saying it is not a joke. It is not a joke. I am saying to you, if you want to get in the computer science company, in the software company, if you want to get the job, if you want to get watchman job also, DSA required. In the computer science company, in the software company, if you want to get peon job also, data structures and required, algorithm DSA required. Peon job also, watchman job also, DSA required. Let us assume that you applied for watchman job. Let us assume that you applied for watchman job in computer science company, in software company. They will see data structures and algorithm. If you have good skills of data structures and algorithm, you will get as a watchman, you will get the more salary. It is a mandatory whether you like or not. It is a mandatory. Sir, I don't like DSA, sir. Then also learn. Sir, I like DSA, sir. Then also learn. Whether you like or not doesn't matter. You have to learn. No other way. Sir, I don't like my mama, sir. Still you have to love mama. Sir, I hate papa, sir. Still you have to love papa. Sir, my mama is beating every day, sir. Still love mama. My papa beating every Sunday is beating me, sir. Then also love. You don't have any other option. Mama no option. Papa no option. DSA no option. Mama no option. Papa no option. DSA no option. My suggestion, please learn it. Please learn, no other way. Sir, it is very difficult, sir. Then also learn. Sir, it is very easy, sir. Then also learn. You have to learn, no other way. No other way, you have to learn. So in algorithm, first chapter is this only, analysis. Everyone will get. The only thing is concentrate properly. Analysis. To solve any problem, if you have more than one solution, then best solution will be decided by analysis based on two factor, time complexity, space complexity. Based on two factor, time complexity, space complexity. Right? Based on two factor, time complexity, space complexity. Why time complexity, sir? You may say that, sir, why time complexity, sir? Sir, I will write one program, I will keep inside a computer. Then when you write one program, you will keep inside a computer, right? When that program is running, it is taking CPU time. How much CPU time it is taking? I write one computer program, I kept inside a computer. While running your program, it is taking computer CPU time. Valuable thing in the computer is CPU. It is taking CPU time. How much CPU time taking? That is called time complexity. When you write a program, when you keep inside a computer, right? While running, your program will goes to main memory. How much main memory space it is taking? How much main memory space it is taking? How much main memory it is taking? That is called space complexity. While running your program inside a computer, it is taking two resources. One resource is CPU. One more resource is main memory. How much CPU time your program taking? How much main memory space it is taking? That is called time complexity, space complexity. Suppose I written one program, I don't like it. But that program is taking very less time. That program is taking very less space. Then that is the best program. I written one algorithm. That algorithm taking less time. That algorithm taking less space. Then definitely computer like it. You may not like it. Computer like it. When you write a program, when you keep that program inside a computer, while your program is running, it is taking CPU time. How much CPU time it is taking? That is called time complexity. How much main memory space it is taking? That is called as space complexity. While running, your program will take two resources. One is the CPU time, another one is main memory space. If at all these two are less, your program is the best program. Otherwise, your program is not best program. So time complexity, space complexity will be decided by two factors, right? A program behavior, a program value will be based on two factors, time complexity, space complexity. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Sir, why are you taking these two things only into consideration? While running, your program will take, right, CPU time. So how much CPU time taking? That is called time complexity. While running your program will take main memory space. How much main memory space it is taking? That is called space complexity. You may not like, but computer like. So we have to take that program. Are you okay? Check one time. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Can we move to the next? Will store in main memory or arrays, right? So if you want to store the result, you can store it depending upon what you want to do. You want to store, you can store. You don't want to store, you don't need to store. Just print on the screen. Just print on the screen, that is enough. You want to store. You don't want to store, don't store. It's up to you how you write the program. CPU time means number of threads being utilized or just time taken. CPU time means CPU time, right? So CPU is one device. How much CPU time allocated to your program? How much CPU time is allocated to your program? Whether you will use thread, whether you don't use thread, it doesn't matter. How much CPU time you are using? How much CPU time you are using? Right? Fine. I hope everyone is fine now. Based on two factor, time complexity and space complexity. Let's concentrate. Let's concentrate time complexity. Let's concentrate time complexity. Let's concentrate time complexity. Let's concentrate time complexity. How to find out time complexity? We'll decide now. Let's find out time complexity. Right. So let's start time complexity. And before going to the time complexity, just I want to remind you one time. See this one? See everyone? Before going to the time complexity, just I want to remind you one time. So for GATE CSC, see this one. CSC and DSA course. One course is started for 1 year or 2 years. Next one, GATE DA plus DSA course. One more batch is started. And one more thing is, right, only GATE CSC. So DSA course, only GATE DA. GATE CSC plus GATE DA. So right, see, in all of them, if you see the common thing, DSA is common. In all the things, if you see DSA is common, you want to do anything in computer science, DSA required. Please learn properly. Please learn properly. Computer science having infinite opportunities. Computer science having infinite opportunities. Computer science having infinite opportunities. Gain knowledge. Gain knowledge. Gain knowledge. Then everything okay. Computer science having infinite opportunities. Gain knowledge. Then you will get the more opportunities. More knowledge, more opportunities. More knowledge, more opportunity. Suppose you went to the interview. Interview you are not selected, means you have less knowledge. Then right, gain more. Every interview, every failure, okay, you failed in the interview. Okay, read again. Learn, gain more knowledge. Gain more knowledge. If you have more knowledge, more opportunities will come. You no need to be afraid. Oh, right, in the interview people rejected me. Oh, less knowledge, gain more. Less knowledge, gain more. Right? So more knowledge, more opportunities. Please remember this. More knowledge, more opportunities. See this one. Those people who are, if anyone want to prepare for GATE CSC, right? My suggestion is GATE CSC you want to prepare. My suggestion, join GATE CSC and DSA course. You want to prepare GATE DA and DSA course, right? If anyone want to prepare for GATE CSC, GATE DA, so DSA also, right? With the DSA you join, because DSA is common. It will give more opportunities. My suggestion is new batches are starting. You can join any one of the batch. and rank improvement course also starting for CSE people, right? Let's come to the story. So if those people who want to join, so they can ping me. This is my WhatsApp number, you can ping me. I will suggest to you if you need any help. It is my WhatsApp number 8820899903. This is my WhatsApp number, you can ping me whenever you need, right? You can ping me whenever you need. Yeah, let's start time complexity finding. Let's start it. Time complexity finding. See, there is no, right, software companies purpose 1 DSA, gate purpose 1 DSA, right, PSU purpose 1 DSA. It is not like that. DSA is common, same stack there, same queue there, right, same linked list is there, same dynamic programming is there, same divide and conquer there, everything same. Learn one time, it is useful to everywhere. Learn one time, it is useful everywhere, right? Let's start now. Time complexity. Let me start now. Time complexity of any, right, time complexity of any program T of P is equal to time complexity of any program T of P is equal to time complexity for compilation, right? I will write properly. Time complexity of any program is equal to time complexity, right, time required for compile, time required for running. Time complexity of a program is equal to time complexity, time required for compile, time required for running. Time complexity of a program is equal to time required for compile, time required for running. Compilation, how much time, right, running, because you cannot see the program output without compilation. You cannot, right, right, see the program time, you cannot see the program output without compilation. First compile, next run. But remember a program will be, right, but remember this one, right, compile time plus running time. Compile time is based on compiler. Running time is based on the processor. Time complexity of a program is equal to time required for compile, time required for running. Compile time is based on the compiler, running time is based on the processor. Suppose assume, right, this processor is, listen, suppose assume that this processor is, right, faster processor. Assume that i7 or i9 processor. If i9 processor more time, if i5 processor less time. So time complexity based on the which type of processor you are using. Type of processor matters. Time complexity based on the processor is a hardware. Processor is a hardware. If i9 processor, right, i9 processor less time. If i5 processor more time. So processor, right, processor is a hardware, but remember compiler is a software. Compiler install means software install. Software means program. Time complexity of a program is equal to compile time plus running time. Compile time based on compiler, running time is based on processor. Compiler is a software, right? Processor is a hardware. Next one, remember everyone, when you say software, it is a program. If this program is written in faster language, comparing C language, Java language, C language faster. Comparing C language, Java language, C language faster. Right? Maybe Java language having some extraordinary features C language don't have, but in terms of the speed, C language and Java language, right? C language is faster. So, right, so compiler is a software. Software means program. Remember, compile time is based on which type of right, what type of language you are using for a compiler. Because compiler is a software. This software is written in which program? So remember, compile time is based on language of compiler. In which language compiler written? Language of compiler. When you say it is a software means program. In which language? In which language program is compiler is written? If the compiler is written in C language, it is a faster. If compiler is written in Java language, it may be slow. It may be slow. If you use the compiler, if you write the compiler in Pascal, it may be very slow. Next one, right? So hardware, type of hardware. If you use the i5 running time is more. If you use the i7 running time is less. So type of hardware matters. Type of processor matters. Type of processor matters. So time complexity of a program is equal to compile time plus running time. Compile time is based on compiler. Running time is based on processor. But compiler is a software. Processor is a hardware. So when you say software program, what language you used to construct the compiler? What processor you are using? Type of hardware. So please careful. Yeah, so you can see, right? Goyal, I think that's right. The thing whatever I given, you can go and check there. So this one, you can WhatsApp me, I will give. Otherwise, right? Those people who want to take a subscription, they can go to the exam prep tool. They can go to the exampreptool.com. They can go there and they can check once. Whichever course you want, you can take. But if you learn DSA properly, anything you can handle. I seen some student, listen, I seen one student who prepared so well, but unfortunately he lost. Unfortunately, he didn't get the good gate rank, but with that knowledge, he got the good software company. Have knowledge, everything okay. Don't worry about the rank. Rank not required. Rank doesn't matter. Knowledge matter. Have knowledge, everything okay. You can WhatsApp me. On this number, or you can go to exam prep tool, exampreptool.com. You can see there, right? Your required course you can take. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, again, time complexity of your program is equal to compile time plus running time. Compile time is based on compiler. Running time is based on processor. Processor is a hardware. Compiler is a software. Software means program, means language. Language of the compiler matters. If the language of the compiler is C language, right? Compiler is a faster. If the language of the compiler is Pascal, then compile time is more. If language of the compiler is C language, compile time is very less. Faster means very less. If the language of the compiler is Pascal, compile time is more. Next one, type of processor is Pentium 4. So type of the processor Pentium 4. Then I think running time is less. Pentium 1 running time is more. Something like that. These two things matter. Time complexity based on two people. Time complexity based on two people. Language of compiler, type of processor. Learn properly. Whichever interview you will go, people will ask this only. What is the time complexity? If you go to the big companies, question is this only. What is the binary search time complexity? How you got? If you go to the big companies, question will be like this only. Searching will take how much time? How many searching techniques are there? Can you explain? You have to explain clearly. So you will see within few minutes all. How many sorting algorithms are there? Every sorting algorithm how to write? Every sorting algorithm time complexity how much? Every sorting algorithm space complexity how much? Right? Everything we'll discuss now. Yeah. So language of compiler, type of processor, both matters. Right? Fine. So can we move to next? Right? So see the next one. Right? Next one, important one. Analysis will be two types. analysis will be two types, right? Analysis will be, right, two types. Posteriori analysis. Posteriori analysis. Priori analysis. And one more, if anyone, someone is, yeah, if supercomputer, less time, right? Fine. So analysis will be two types. Posteriori analysis, A is silent. Priori analysis, A is silent. So analysis will be two types. Posteriori analysis, priori analysis. Analysis purpose is finding time complexity, space complexity. Time complexity based on language of compiler and type of processor. Analysis will be two types. Posteriori analysis, priori analysis. Within few minutes, numerical problems will come. You will get more clarity. Within few minutes, numerical things will come. You will get more clarity. More clarity you will get. Just have patience. Within few minutes, numerical problems will come. You will get more clarity. So analysis will be two types: posteriori analysis, priori analysis. Yeah, see the first one. In posteriori analysis, if I ask what is the time complexity of your program, in posteriori analysis, if I ask what is the time complexity of your program, right, you will say that if you want time complexity of your program, you have to say language of compiler, you have to say. In the posteriori analysis, right, if I ask what is the time complexity of the program, you will say what is the language of the compiler. Next one, what is the type of hardware, what is the type of CPU, you have to say both. According to posteriori analysis, if I ask what is the time complexity of your program, then you have to say language of compiler and type of CPU. If you say these two things are better, then time complexity less. If you say these two things are bad, time complexity more. So what I want to say, posteriori analysis is based on these two factors, right? Let me write now. So this analysis is based on language of compiler and type of CPU. It is based on these two. But in the case of priori analysis, if I ask what is the time complexity of your program, you will say language of compiler. Doesn't matter. Type of CPU doesn't matter. It is independent. It is independent of language of compiler and type of CPU. That is the first point. In the posteriori analysis, what is the time complexity means? Language of compiler, type of CPU, both matters. If you say both, then only you will give answer. But in the priori analysis, you no need to say both. It is independent of language of compiler and type of CPU. That is the first one. That is the first point. Second point. Yeah. So see the second point. Now I want answer from you. Those people who are watching, please give answer. Which analysis is taking real things into consideration? Out of these two analyses, which one is taking real things into consideration? I want answer from everyone. Please write all your doubts. In the comment section. Everyone write your doubts in the comment section. Please enjoy the class. Don't think about result. Gain as much as possible. Which one will take real things into consideration? Posteriori, priori. A is a silent letter. Posteriori, priori. Which one will take real things into consideration? Which one will take real things into consideration? Post-theory analysis. Post-theory analysis will take real things into consideration. Post-theory analysis will take real things into consideration. Real things you will take. Because to find out time complexity, these two things required. To find out time complexity, language of compiler matters, type of processor matter. These two matters. Time complexity of a program based on these two things. These two things. So, post-theory analysis is saying that, right, language of compiler, type of CPU matters. But priori analysis is saying that those two doesn't matter. So, the one which is taking real things into consideration, first one, right? So it is independent. Because of first one is taking real things into consideration, you will get the accurate answer. You will get exact answer here. You will get exact answer. In the post-theory analysis, you will get exact answer. In the priori analysis, you will get approximate answer. In the post-theory analysis, you will get exact answer. In the priori analysis, you will get approximate answer. Why approximate is real things you are not taking into consideration. Real things you are not taking into consideration. In the first one, real things you are taking into consideration. Exact answer. In the second one, real things you are not taking into consideration. You will get approximate answer. Both will give answer. Both will give answer. One will give approximate, one will give exact. Go to the 3. Go to the 3. Go to the 3. In the third one, let's see one third one. The problem with the first analysis is it will give exact answer. The problem with the first analysis is in one computer, let us assume the 20 minutes time. In another computer, it will take 50 minutes time. In another computer, it will take 30 minutes time because correct processor is changing. Computer to computer, processor changing, time complexity will change. Processor, right? Once again, computer to computer, compiler language changing. So time complexity will change. In the first analysis, exact answer is coming, that's okay. But the problem with the first analysis is computer to computer, different time. Computer to computer, right? Different space. So in the first one, right? The problem with the first analysis is different answer. Different answer. Answer means different time or different space. Different answer from system to system. From computer to computer. Here, because of you are not taking real things into consideration, same answer in same time, same answer in all computers. In all computer. Please write notes properly. Please write notes properly. In the first one, because of computer to computer, CPU changing, so time complexity also will change. Computer to computer, processor is changing, so time complexity changing. But in the second analysis, because of real things you are not taking into consideration, in every computer, same time complexity. Everything having its own pitfall. Right? Some positive, some negative. Post-theory analysis advantage. Exact answer will come. Drawback, system to system, different answer. Priori analysis advantage. In every system, same answer. Drawback is going to be approximate time complexity. Drawback is going to be approximate time complexity. Right? Fine. Perfect. So, those people, listen, if you think that until now you got, please type in the comment section, I got. If you got till now, if you don't have any doubt, can you type in the comment section, I got. Right? So please go once again I'm starting from where I started. I'm starting this one. Analysis is, listen, analysis purpose is in the existing algorithm, which one is better to decide. We are using it, right? Analysis based on two factors, time complexity, space complexity. First, to take time complexity. Time complexity of a program is nothing but compile time plus running time. Compile time based on compiler, running time based on processor. Compile time means, right, which language you are using for compiler, right? Running time means which processor you are using. So time complexity based on these two people. So now analysis is two types: posterior analysis, priori analysis. Posterior analysis is dependent analysis, priori analysis is independent analysis. Because of real things you are taking into consideration exact answer, because of real things you are not taking consideration approximate answer, real things you are taking into consideration system to system different time complexity, but in the priori analysis system to system same time complexity. Yeah, fine. Next one. Those people who didn't type I got it. Those people who didn't type I got it, go to hell. Those people who didn't type I got it. If you don't type I got it, go to hell. You and your friends go to hell. Those people who didn't type I got it, you please go to hell. Those people who didn't type I got it, trust me, God is seeing from top. God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. Everything He will note down. Everything He will note down. God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. If anyone is not listening, please listen. Please listen. It is the best time. It is the best time to learn algo. Don't postpone. It is the best time. God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. That is called karma. Karma will come back. Karma somehow will come back. If you don't listen, your son also don't listen. You are not listening my lecture. Your son also don't listen. Your daughter also don't listen. Papa is buffalo. Papa is buffalo. Son also buffalo. Daughter also buffalo. Those people who are not listening, I'm really saying those people who are not listening, you are a buffalo. You are a buffalo. You will marry one more buffalo. Both will produce small buffaloes. Those people who are not listening, you are a buffalo. You will marry one more buffalo. Both will produce small buffaloes. Please listen. This is the best opportunity. This is the best opportunity to learn algo. Please make sure you will get it. Analysis will be two types. Posterior, priori. Posterior analysis will give exact one. Priori will give approximate. Posterior problem is system to system different answer. Priori system to system same answer. Right. Now come to the actual story. Now very interesting one is coming. Please listen. Very interesting one is coming. Please listen. Listen everyone. Careful. I written. Everyone listen. I want to answer from you. Everyone listen. I written one program. That program is taking less time. I written one program. I written one algorithm and one program. Both are same. I written one program. That program taking less time. According to first analysis. I written one program. That program is taking less time. According to first analysis. Credit will goes to whom? I written one program. That program is taking less time. Credit will goes to whom? According to first analysis. Please let me know. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? I written one program. That program is taking less time. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? According to second analysis, credit will goes to whom? I written one program. That program is taking less time. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? According to second analysis, credit will goes to whom? Please can you type in the comment section. I written one program. That program taking less time. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? According to second analysis, credit will goes to whom? Please give the answer. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? My program taking less time. According to first analysis, credit will goes to whom? According to second analysis, credit will goes to whom? Please give answer. If your program is taking, see this one. If your program is taking less time, according to the first analysis, credit will goes to language of compiler. According to first analysis, your program is taking less time, credit will goes to language of compiler. Credit will goes to type of processor, type of CPU. According to first analysis, if your program is taking less time, credit will goes to language of compiler. Credit will goes to type of CPU. But according to second analysis, if your program is taking less time, credit will goes to programmer. Credit will goes to programmer, right? Programmer written beautiful program. In the second analysis, credit will goes to programmer. In the second analysis, credit will goes to developer. According to first model, credit will goes to language of compiler, type of CPU. According to second model, credit will goes to programmer or developer. Now one more thing I want to say to you. Total software industry follows second model. Total software industry follows second model. That is the reason in the software industry you will see, right, best developer award. Month of the, right, best developer of the month. Best employee of the month. Best employee of the quarter. Best employee of the year. Total software industry follows priori analysis. Total software industry follows priori analysis. Please careful. Total software industry follows priori analysis. So from now onwards, we will follow priori analysis. From now onwards, we will follow priori analysis. Please careful. So our goal is priori analysis only. Right, let's start priori analysis. Total software industry follows priori analysis. What are the priori analysis saying that? Listen, what are the priori analysis saying that? You may not have, listen, priori analysis saying that to run program faster, priori analysis saying that to run the program faster, you no need supercomputer. To run the program faster, no need of supercomputer, no need of supercompiler. Right? Priori analysis saying that to run the program faster, no need of supercomputer, no need of supercompiler. Right? So if you have brain, you can write the super algorithm. Priori analysis saying that, right? Priori analysis saying that CPU doesn't matter, language of the compiler doesn't matter. If you have brain, please write nice logic. Right? Programmer is great. Programmer written great logic. That is the reason I used to see in the newspaper. Right? One developer got. Priori analysis saying that don't worry about supercomputer. Please write super algorithm. Please write super logic. Please write, instead of thinking about supercomputer, instead of thinking about super compiler, please think about super logic. Please think about super algorithm. Right? That's what the priori analysis saying that. Priori analysis saying that super logic you can make. You no need supercomputer. Super logic you can make. Super algorithm you can make. Right? That's what the priori analysis saying. Every industry follows priori analysis only. Let's start. Right? Main story starting now. Let's start now. Priori analysis. Right now. Priori analysis. You have to write your own notes. You have to write your own notes. Own notes you have to write. If anyone is not writing the notes, it is a serious warning. You should write your own notes. It is a serious warning. You should write your own notes. If anyone is not writing notes, please start writing. Your notes you can understand. See, so many shortcuts I used in my class. See, so many shortcuts because this is my notes. This is my notes. So many shortcuts I used. See, TCPU. What is the meaning? Type of CPU. What is the LC? Language of compiler. I used so many shortcuts because it is my notes. In your notes, you can use any shortcut. But remember, your notes is your notes. My notes is my notes. Right? Write down now. Priori analysis. I am starting. Everyone following priori analysis only. It's a very, very important one. I am keeping 10 star. I am keeping 10 star. So let me write the definition. It is a determination of order of magnitude. It is determination of order of magnitude of a statement. What is the meaning? You will get to know within few minutes. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. It is a definition. Please write as it is. Please write as it is. From now onwards, careful. From now onwards, careful. Major topic is started. Major topic is started. From now onwards, careful. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. What it means, I will explain. Take the first problem. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. Example. First example. Example 1. 30 programs I will say. 30 program time complexity. 30 program time complexity I will say. Start now. Main. It is the first program. Main. X is equal to y plus z. Main. X is equal to y plus z. It is a program. Main. X is equal to y plus z. Right? This program time complexity how much? This is the first one. 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 Everyone, if anyone is sleepy, if anyone is little bit sleepy, please slap yourself like this. Please slap yourself like this. If you are little sleepy also, please slap yourself like this. Otherwise, go to Papa and ask, Papa, can you beat me one time? This is the first one. From now onwards, careful. From now onwards, careful. It is the right. This is the starting. This is the starting. If anyone is little sleepy also, go and ask Mama. Mama, can you throw one glass of water on my face? Mama, can you throw one glass of water on my face? Right? Careful. Now start. This is the first one. Can you help me now? This program contain how many statements? This program contain how many statements? One statement. This program contain how many statements? One statement. Can you help me now? When this program is running, this statement will execute how many times? One time. This program contain one statement. Whenever this program is running, this statement will execute how many times? One time. That is called order of magnitude. Order of magnitude of this statement is 1. Remember, it is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. Order of magnitude is nothing but, right, while running, a statement will execute how many times? While running, this statement will execute how many times? One time only. While running, the statement will execute one time. Order of magnitude of the statement is 1. So time complexity of this program is, right? So whatever one is there, write as it is. Just keep big O, capital O. Time complexity of this program is capital O of 1. This program contains one statement. This statement while running one time will execute. That is called order of magnitude. After getting order of magnitude, whatever is the order of magnitude, take as it is. Just keep capital O. Time complexity will be represented with capital O. time complexity will be represented with capital O, with capital O. Capital O of 1. Capital O of 1. Capital O of 1. That is the first program. Yeah, can you go to the second program? Can you go to the second program? Example 2. Example 2. 30 programs will come. Not one program, two program. 30 programs will come. Main. Main. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. Next one. For I is equal to 1. Everyone will get. The only thing is listen properly. I plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. End of the program. End of the program. X is equal to y plus z. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, x is equal to y plus z. Now listen everyone. Everyone listen. What is the time complexity of this program? Carefully listen. Time complexity of this program. Carefully listen. This program contain, everyone listen, this program contain two statements. For loop is not a statement, remember. This program contain two statements. While running, first statement will execute one time. That is called order of magnitude. While running, second statement will execute n time. This is called order of magnitude. Second statement order of magnitude is n. First statement order of magnitude is 1. When this program is running, first statement will execute one time. Order of magnitude is 1. Second statement order of magnitude is n because while running, second statement will execute n time. Some people are asking, sir, how for loop is running, sir? I am explaining. Everyone listen. In the for loop, this is called initialization. This is called condition checking. This is called incrementation. This is called statement. See how for loop is running. If anyone don't know, can you catch now? If anyone don't know, can you catch now? See how for loop is running. First initialization, next condition checking. After every true, you have to execute statement. Condition true, execute. After execution of statement, then go to incrementation. Then after incrementation, again condition checking. Right? Initialization is only one time. First initialization. Next condition. If condition true, then statement. Statement executed, then incrementation. Incrementation is over, then condition. After condition, again statement. It will keep on going. I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to n. Condition true, then execute statement. After statement execution, right? Then I plus plus. Incrementation. After incrementation, again condition checking. 2 less than or equal to n, condition true. Then again statement. Then again I plus plus. I value 3. 3 less than or equal to n, condition true. Again statement. Again incrementation. So remember, condition checking, statement, incrementation. Condition checking, statement, incrementation. Condition checking, statement, incrementation. Remember, this loop is keep on going. Where is the loop? If anyone not able to see the loop, I am giving the loop also. Can you see the loop? This is the loop. This loop is going like this. This is the loop. This yellow color is the loop. Initialization is one time. Condition checking. Right? 1 less than or equal to n, condition true. 2 less than or equal to n, condition true. Every true, you have to execute statement. This is called statement. This is the statement. This is incrementation. This is condition. This is initialization. Please write properly if anyone don't know. Please write properly. This program contains two statements. First statement while running will execute one time. Second statement while running will execute n time. Then total order of magnitude, please add them, n plus 1. First one order of magnitude is 1, second one order of magnitude is n. Right? Second statement will execute n time. How n time? If you want, you can see 1 less than or equal to n, condition true. 2 less than or equal to n, condition true. 3 less than or equal to n, condition true. and so on, and so on. N minus 1 less than or equal to n, condition true. N less than or equal to n, condition true, right? Until here true. Next fail. N plus 1 less than or equal to n, condition fail, stop it. So these are every condition statement will execute. Every condition statement will execute. So second statement executing n time. First statement executing 1 time. Total order of magnitude is n plus 1. If order of magnitude is n plus 1, time complexity, whichever bigger, n and 1, whichever bigger, take that one. Time complexity big O of n. That is the reason it is a big. That is the reason it is called big O notation. Whichever bigger you take. Whichever bigger you take. That is the reason it is called big O of n. That is the reason it is called big O of n. Whichever bigger you take. Whichever bigger you take. Some people are asking, sir, right, sir, small thing, why are you neglecting, sir? Sir, small thing, why are you neglecting? That is the meaning of priori analysis. Priori analysis will give approximate answer. Priori analysis will give approximate answer. Small thing you can neglect. Priori analysis will give approximate answer. Small things you can neglect. Small things you can neglect. Priori analysis will give approximate answer. Small thing you can neglect. I'm really saying, listen, I'm really saying, please learn. That's it. Don't think about result. Time complexity finding, learn. Next, recursion will come. Recursion, learn. Asymptotic notation will come. Please learn all the topics. You will easily get the job. I have software company. I taken approximately till now 1,000 people interview I am taken. I know interview what will come. I know I selected so many people. I know interview what they will ask. Developer need what? I know very well. Because the reason is, right, myself, I am from IIT Bombay, right? I done the computer science from IIT Bombay, right? I am from IIT I done. I am the gate top ranker. I guided approximately 25 lakh students, not 1 or 2. Most of my students are there in the top MNCs. Most of my students are there in the IITs. So I am saying to you, please learn without thinking anything. Please learn. Are you okay with the second program? Please let me know if anyone having doubt. Sir, I have doubt. In the first program, no loop. Time complexity big O of 1. Big O of 1 will be read as order of 1. Because order of magnitude. Big O of n. Second one is big O of n because one loop is there. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Perfect. Now let's go to. Some people are asking, sir, why are you neglecting small things, sir? That is the meaning of priori analysis. Sir, why are you neglecting small things, sir? That is called priori analysis. Priori analysis will give approximate answer. Some people are asking, sir, what is that constant, sir? Right? Some people are asking, sir, what is that constant, sir? Remember everyone. Actual time complexity n plus 1. I neglected 1. The reason is this one is based on type of processor. Processor can change by constant factor. Compiler language can change by constant factor, right? Logic will decide this n. This is the n which came by logic. Actual answer is n plus 1. That plus 1 is type of processor. That plus 1 is type of compiler. Actual answer is n. This is the one which will decide. Priori analysis saying that type of processor doesn't matter. Type of compiler doesn't matter. Type of processor doesn't matter. Type of compiler doesn't matter. Logic matters. So n plus 1, you will take n. Someone is saying that what else if there is a 3 statements? You will see anyhow. Arey Bhaskar Bhaiya, Bhaskar is saying that what else? What, right? What if? Else there be 3 statement. Arey Bhaskar, now only I started. Just only 2 programs are over. You are directly jumping. So Bhaskar is behaving like, right? Today morning, right? See this one. Today morning, you want to marry. Today morning he went for matching. You want to marry with parents he went for matching. He is seeing the girl. Right? Then parents asked him, right, can you talk with the girl and all little bit? Then he immediately is asking girl, right, can we have kids? Kid's name is XYZ. Arey man, Bhaskar, control man. Control yaar. Now itself, immediately you want kids also. Arey, let's talk first. First talk yaar. Arey, second problem is over. He is jumping somewhere else. For second problem itself, he is jumping somewhere else. Arey, control man. Everyone is a human. Control. In the second problem itself, you want to go for kids. Control. Everything cannot come immediately. Arey, Bhaskar, control yaar. Chalo. Now go to the next one. Example 3. I think she is very beautiful. Arey Suman, just shut your mouth. Arey Suman, brainless fellow, just shut your mouth. So if she is beautiful also, how can you ask like this? Can't you control? If she is beautiful also, how can you ask like this? Can't you control, man? Right, let's go to next. Write down now. Example 3. Main. X is equal to y plus z for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus x is equal to y plus z. And one more thing, if I scold you anyone, please consider it as, don't take emotional and all. If I scold anyone, consider it as your elder brother is scolding. Don't take it personal. To me, you are my younger brother, you are my younger sister. I don't have any anger on you. Right? I don't have any anger on you. If I scold you, consider that your elder brother is right scolding you. So that you will be clear next time onwards. Right? Don't take in the personal way. Right? Take it as your elder brother is scolding you. Right? Fine. Come here now. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus x is equal to y plus z. Next one. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus x is equal to y plus z. End of this for loop also, end of this also. Any small doubt also there, please ask me. Yeah, now my question is, everyone, whoever watching this class, please give answer to me. In this program, how many statements are there? First say how many statements. In this program, how many statements are there? Whoever watching this class, please let me know. This program contain how many statements? Everyone have to respond. Everyone have to respond. How many statements? First give answer. I don't want answer. Please grow. Every day, please grow little bit. I don't want answer. I don't want answer. Whatever you know, you say. Every day, please grow a little bit. How many statements? 3 statements. Someone is mentioned, this program contains 3 statements. Someone is mentioned, this program contains 3 statements. Let me write now. It is the first statement. It is the second statement. It is the third statement. Whenever this program is running, first statement will execute 1 time. So order of magnitude is 1. Whenever the second statement is executing, this second statement will execute n time, because see this one, every I value 1, this statement will execute. I value 2, this statement will execute. I value 3, this statement will execute. I value 4, this statement will execute. So n time. Now everyone listen. This. This one will trouble you. Third statement will trouble. See this one. Third statement will trouble. Everyone listen. I is equal to 1. Listen. I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to n. Condition true. Every condition. Listen. Every condition. This loop will execute. J is equal to 1. J less than or equal to n. This statement will execute. J plus plus. It is keep on going inside. So what I want to say is, listen, what I want to say is, I is equal to 1, let me write over. See this one. So third statement, if you observe, I is equal to 1, J loop is running 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n. J loop is n time. Every time statement will execute. I is equal to 2, J loop is running 1, 2, 3 and so on n. I is equal to 3, J loop is running 1, 2, 3 and so on n and so on. I is equal to n, J loop is running 1, 2, 3 and so on n, right? So what I want to say is, if I is equal to 1, J loop is n time. I is equal to 2, J loop is 2 time. So until now, n time here, 2n. I is equal to 3, J loop is n time, 3n. I is equal to 4, J loop is n time, 4n. So n times n. So n into n, n square. Remember, first one is 1 time, order of magnitude. Second one is n time, order of magnitude. Third one is n square time, because each I value, listen, each I value, J loop is executing. See, each I value, J loop is n time. I value 1, J loop is n. I value 2. After completion of everything, you will come back like this. See, whenever J loop is over, then I plus plus. I value becomes 2. I value 1, this is n time. I value 2, this is n time. I value 3, this is n time. I value 4, this is n time. This is called inner loops. Third statement is inner loop. Inside one loop, again one more loop. Inside one loop, again one more loop. Please learn basics. Everything okay. Don't say I don't know programming. Where is the programming here? I think first year BTech you studied maybe. Those people who are non-CSE people, first year BTech you studied. Inside for loop, again for loop, inner loop. I am explaining that much clearly. Everyone capable. The only thing is, believe yourself and try. Everyone capable. The only thing is, believe yourself and try. So first statement order of magnitude 1. Second statement order of magnitude n. Third statement order of magnitude n square. So total program order of magnitude n square plus n plus 1. So which is the bigger? N square bigger. N square 1, n square bigger. So time complexity big O of n square. Big O is very simple. Whoever bigger take. This program contain 2 loops. One is a normal loop, another one is inner loop. See, second statement is normal loop. Second statement is normal. See, this is the normal loop. This is the normal loop. Third one is inner loop. Third one is inner loop. Inside one loop, once again one more loop. First statement order of magnitude is 1. Second statement order of magnitude is n. Third statement order of magnitude is n square. So Goel is saying that, so if at all second loop is right, second loop is going not from 1 to n, 1 to I Goel bhaiya, you want to kill other people life. Goel bhaiya saying that if the second loop is from 1 to I, Goel bhaiya, don't kill other people. It will come bhaiya, it will come. Goel bhaiya, it will come bhaiya. Control yourself. It will come bhaiya. Fine, can we go ahead? It will come bhaiya, don't worry, it will come. So third program time complexity is this one. Small think I neglected. How many people will go? Why I am neglecting small? Why I am neglecting small? Please help me. Why I am neglecting small? Why I am neglecting small? Why I am neglecting small? The reason is small things based on. Small things are based on type of hardware. Small things are based on type of CPU, type of compiler. Small things are based on type of CPU, type of compiler. Because of priori analysis, right? Small thing doesn't matter. Logic matter. This is called logic, right? Major logic is this. This is the major logic. Time complexity of this program is big O of n square. Is it fine? Can we go to next problem? Bhaiya, can we go to next problem? Oi! Can we go to next or not? Goel bhaiya, can we go to next or not? Bhaskar bhaiya, can we go to next? Yes, chalo then. So three programs are over. Now listen, one nice story I want to say to you. Everyone listen. One nice story I want to say to you. Everyone listen. Careful everyone. In the first program, see this one. In the first program, any loop. I am saying one shortcut. In the first program, any loop. If no loop, time complexity big O of 1. In the first program, no loop is, if no loop, time complexity big O of 1. In the second program, loop is there or not? In the second program, first one is a loop. No. Second one is a loop. Yes. So time complexity means loop only. No loop, big O of 1. If loop is there, loop is repeating how many times? So big O of n. Next one, in the third one, loop is there or not? In the third one, loop is there, but two loops. Which is the bigger loop? First loop is n time, second loop is n square time, whichever bigger that is. So remember, time complexity means loop. If many loops are there, bigger loop. Time complexity means loop. If many loops are there, bigger loop. Time complexity means loop. If many loops are there, bigger loop. Someone is saying, what is big O? It will come afterwards. To represent time complexity, we are using big O. Right? To represent time complexity, we are using big O. So to represent Indian money, we are using INR. To represent Indian money, we are using INR. To represent US money, we are using dollar. To represent time complexity, we are using big O. So from today onwards, can everyone type? From today onwards, can everyone type in the chat? Time complexity means what? Can you type? From today onwards, how to find out time complexity? From today onwards, how to find out time complexity? Can you write in the chat? How to find out time complexity? What is the answer? Time complexity is nothing but loop. time complexity is nothing but loop. If many loops, time complexity is nothing but loop. If many loops, many loop, larger loop. If many loop, larger loop. If many loops, larger loop. Is it okay? Time complexity means loops only. If many loops, larger loop. Now how many people will go? How many people will go? Please listen. Please listen. In the program, which is the valuable part of the program? In program, I am repeating once again. In program, which place CPU spend more time? In program, which part CPU spend more time? Loops. In program where CPU spend more time? In loops. Time complexity is nothing but where CPU spending. In program, CPU spending lot of time in loops only. That is the reason time complexity means loops only. Where CPU spending more time. Where CPU spending more time. CPU spending more time in loops only. So time complexity means loops only. Time complexity means loops only. Because CPU spending more time there only. Right? Fine. Perfect. So I'm thinking you are really comfortable. Right? Let's go to next. Time complexity means finding loops only. If more loop, larger one you take. Larger one you take. Arey Mahesh, RIC, Mahesh, RIC, TOC undecidability kept. RIC, TOC undecidability kept. DBMS also kept. Go and study. Go and do your work. Right, so let's go to next problem. Example 4. Can I stop the class? It's up to you. Can I stop the class? It's up to you. Can I stop or can I continue? 3 examples done. 3 examples done. 4th example. Can I go to 4th or can I stop? How many people say stop? How many people say stop? How many people say continue? How many people say stop? Stop for today, please. Arey Goyal, go to hell. Arey Bhaskar, should I continue or can I stop? Right, example 4. If anyone is not taken, see, if you really like this class, if you are not taken subscription, take subscription, because after 5 classes, classes will start in EPT app. After 5 classes will start in the EPT app. After 5 classes will start in the EPT app. If anyone is not taken the subscription, please take. Otherwise you will be in the losing side. Right? If you are preparing for GATE CSE, if you are preparing for GATE CSE, if you are preparing for GATE DA, if you are preparing for both and DSA classes, right, please take the subscription. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in this WhatsApp number. Please WhatsApp me if you have doubt. If you really like this class, you can share it to your friends also. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next class. Tomorrow's class we will complete approximately. Right? Tomorrow's class we will complete approximately, in my opinion, 20 programs we can complete on time complexity. 20 programs on time complexity in tomorrow's class we will complete. In tomorrow's class we will complete 20 problems. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Don't miss the class. And one more thing, this class, unnecessary parts will be eliminated, right? So after trimming is over this video, that will be kept in the recording session. Already last class we are already kept in the recording session, right? So this also unnecessary part will be eliminated, that will be kept in the recording session, so that you no need to go here and there. After 5 days, right, everything will be there in the app only. Thank you so much. Good night. If anyone is not getting little bit also, you can ask me personally also. Sir, I have this doubt. Can you help me? I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. Good night.